What is up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. I'm super excited. Today we're going to be installing a new deck lid on my Mustang. I already deleted the Mustang like silver emblem on the front grille when I got the Cervini's grill. So today I have the MP concept rear deck lid, and today we're going to be installing that. So this is the box that it came in. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what this looks like. So, that's how it came packaged. Looks like it came packaged really well. Okay. Nothing else in here. Let's get this box out of the way. And there we go. Looks great. Alright, so let's start with taking off the old deck lid. Alright, so to take off the old deck lid, first you gotta pop the hood. And then we gotta start by removing these two tabs on each side right here. And I don't know if I could do this by hand. Oh, okay. That one came straight off. Now there's two screws right in here. And then let's do the other one. Also came right off by hand. And two screws in there. So let's go ahead and take those off. All right, so the weather just started downpouring while I was about to do this install. All right, so I guess after the storm passes, I'll get back to it. Alright, so it stopped raining. It's like 3 hours later. Let's get back to the install. Alright, so like I was showing before, there's the two screws right there and the two screws right there. We're going to go ahead and take those out. Alright, so now that those four screws are out, now there are clips right in here that we're gonna pry back, and then once we get the deck lid itself off, we have to disconnect the backup camera, which is right back here. So let's do that now. Alright, so deck lid's off. Now I gotta move the backup camera over to the new one. Alright, so we finally got the old deck lid off. So these are where the clips went in, right here. This is the harness for the backup camera. So, and this is where the original first two screws were at. And now, over here we got the old deck lid, and this is the new one. So now we flip this over. We gotta move these two clips over to the new one. We gotta move all of these clips over. And then we gotta unscrew these two bolts right here and move the backup camera over, and then we just reinstall the new one. So let's do that right now. Alright, I just got all four of these clips out. Now we're going to go ahead and put them into these four places on the new deck lid. Alright, now we're going to go and take these clips off of the stock deck lid, and we're going to move these over to the new deck lid. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, the backup camera is right here. We have to unscrew these two bolts right here and move the backup camera to the new deck lid. But one thing that's really important is you want to make sure that the backup camera is facing the same way when you install it in the new one as it was in the old one, so that when you turn your backup camera on, it's still upright. Alright, and there you go. The backup camera is installed on the new deck lid. All the clips are put on. And now we just gotta go reinstall it back on the car. Let's go do that. And just like that, the new deck lid is installed. Alright, just by first looking at it, the fitment is not as good as it was, but it's not bad in any means. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you were planning on getting the MP Concepts deck lid, I definitely recommend it. It looks great. It really does change the rear end of the car. I feel like it makes it look a lot cleaner without that emblem. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.